I have no idea why I'm doing that. But anyways, if you love sewing and you've been wanting to make a little extra side cash, get a little side gig going, then consider starting a sewing YouTube channel. So in this video, I'm going to share with you the various different ways you can make an income off having a sewing YouTube channel. So let's start with one of the most powerful income streams, is selling your own products. If you sew, design, or DIY, you can turn your creations into digital or physical products. Things like PDF sewing patterns, handmade accessories or home decor, digital downloads like ebooks or mini guides, even online courses teaching others your craft. And you can even start up your own little fashion boutique. And if you want to branch out, you can also use print-on-demand platforms to sell your own t-shirts, mugs, tote bags, you name it, without handling the inventory yourself. This is perfect if you want to extend your brand without spending a ton up front. And later, if your handmade products take off, you might even work with the manufacturer to help you scale, freeing up more of your time to create content or design new collections. Next, you can make money off of affiliate marketing. This is where you earn a commission by recommending products that you love, or some people recommend things they don't, but whatever floats your boat. So let's say you use a certain sewing machine, camera setup, and fabric brand. When you include affiliate links in your video descriptions and someone clicks and buys, you earn a small percentage of that sale. Now, commissions vary depending on the brand and the industry, but if you build trust with the audience, these small amounts can really add up, especially over time. And next, as your channel grows, brands will start noticing you. That's where sponsorships come in. Sponsorships are when a company pays you to talk about or feature their product in a video. This could be a sewing supply company, a camera gear brand, or even a small business app that aligns with your creative workflow. But here is the cool part. When you stay true to your values and interests, these partnerships often feel like a natural fit, not forced. Your audience benefits from discovering tools you genuinely use, and you get paid for sharing what you already love. And speaking of sponsors, I am proud to say that this video is sponsored by Craftsy. Craftsy is perfect for both beginners and more experienced creatives. They've got everything from practical sewing tips and techniques like understanding your sewing machine, how to sew a hem or add a zipper, to more in-depth classes on how to read and understand sewing patterns, which can support both your personal sewing goals and your content creation for YouTube or other sewing-related projects. They even offer courses on draping and pattern making, which I absolutely love. Some of my personal favorites are taught by Paul Gallo, and I highly recommend Pattern Making for Knits Essential Slopers by Judy Jackson if you're looking to level up your skills. But the best part is that Craftsy has an exclusive offer for you. The first 1,000 subscribers to click the link in the description will get a full year of Craftsy Premium membership for only $1.49. Just keep in mind, this offer is valid for new members only. Whether you're a hobbyist, beginner, or someone looking to refine your skills to monetize your creativity, Craftsy is a solid investment. In 4, we have speaking opportunities. This one might surprise you. Maybe you're not interested in it, but it really does exist. YouTube can lead to speaking gigs. If you're consistently sharing your creative process, sharing your story, or tips for aspiring entrepreneurs, other brands, conferences, or even schools may reach out to you to invite you to speak. This can be paid, and it also builds the authority in your space. Even if you're introverted, remember, people are looking for real stories and real creators. That's your edge. And then there is YouTube ad revenue. At the time of this recording, once you hit 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours, you can apply for monetization. YouTube will start placing ads on your videos, and you'll earn a share of that ad revenue. And this could vary for every creator, but as your views and content library grows, so will your passive income. And since your old videos can keep earning for years, this can be a consistent revenue stream over time. I will say though that you can even start making money off of YouTube with less than 1,000 subscribers, because before I hit the 1,000 subscriber mark, I already had a few sponsorships under my belt, and I make a little bit of money off the affiliate links that I do have in the description box. So there you have it, 5 solid ways you can make money on YouTube as a creative entrepreneur. That's selling your own products, using affiliate links, partner with sponsors, land speaking gigs, earn ad revenue, and I will say that there are a few other ways that I did not list in this video. So be sure to subscribe if you're looking for more content on starting a sewing YouTube channel. All right, everyone, so I hope you found this video helpful, and I will see you on the next post.